Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can do staking on Bitget. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your Bitget app on your phone, and once you have done that, you're gonna simply first of all verify yourself, because if you haven't verified, you won't be able to unlock all of the options for you to simply enjoy those services. Right, once you have verified yourself by tapping on it, verify, and providing a government issued document, your face recognition verification, and waiting for 60 minutes for it to complete. Then you're going to go to your assets. You're going to go to this option of earn. Right, once you have done that, you will be able to simply find this option of staking on this go to Bitget Earn, and you will find this option right over here. Once you have tapped on this particular staking of yours, you're going to be able to find all of the crypto available registered with you that you can stake. Once you have tapped on the staking on that particular crypto to stake, you will be able to add the staking amount, the quantity limit, and you will be able to check out the profit mode on the right side of your profile. Right there, profit mode, you can add the daily interest settlement, you can add the amount, you can add the estimated daily profit. It will show up right over there, and you can check out the order details as well. Then you can tap on this redeem, or you can tap on confirm, and you can stake that crypto. You can stake multiple currencies for you right over there in your Bitget, for you to keep on constantly earning for the existing currency and crypto balance for you right over there. So as I mentioned before, verify yourself first, get some earning, and for you to unlock the option of staking. Once you have something to stake, it will be available, and you can start staking like them right over there. So that's basically how we do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.